Alright, I'm going to show you how you can change the message bubble colors on Android, and this is actually not done in the Messages app itself. Android pulls that bubble color from your wallpaper and color theme settings on your phone. To change that, go to your home screen and then press and hold an empty space. You'll see this menu open up. Might look a little different depending on your phone, but the main options are more or less the same. And to get started, we're going to go to Wallpaper and Style. And here I have my wallpaper settings and then something called Color Palette. If I go into the color palette settings and disable the color palette that I'm currently using, everything switches to the standard, kind of blue-looking default colors. Or I can enable it and then choose from either basic colors, or there's a wallpaper colors option, which generates a color palette based on the wallpaper I currently have selected. So it looks at your wallpaper and then picks colors that go well with your wallpaper automatically. If you'd rather pick your own color, you can do that too, either a single solid color, or there's a few curated dual-tone color combos you can choose from. So let's say I really like this color here. I'll apply that. Once the phone finishes processing the change, you'll see that new color now applied to your message bubbles. If I want to try something else, I could just go back and pick something else. I'll switch it to green, confirm the change, and now you'll see the bubbles turn green instead. And that is how you change message bubble colors on Android. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy, quick, straight-to-the-point guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.